Sammy's nest. Sammy, a young and curious sparrow, chirps happily in his cozy nest nestled in a tree branch. He eagerly flaps his wings, excited for the day ahead. Meeting friends. Sammy flies out of his nest and meets his friends, Benny the bluebird and Rosie the robin, near a bubbling stream. They exchange greetings and share their plans for the day. The great exploration. Sammy suggests they explore the nearby forest. With enthusiasm, the trio sets off on their adventure, hopping from branch to branch, discovering new sights and sounds. A narrow escape. While exploring, the friends encounter a mischievous cat lurking in the bushes. They quickly dart away, narrowly escaping the cat's grasp, and find refuge in a tall tree. Helping others. As they rest in the safety of the tree, Sammy notices a baby bird who has fallen from its nest. Without hesitation, Sammy and his friends work together to build a makeshift nest and lift the baby bird back to safety. Celebration. The other birds in the forest gather around to celebrate Sammy, Benny, and Rosie's bravery and kindness. They sing joyful songs and share stories of their own adventures. Heading home. As the sun begins to set, Sammy and his friends bid farewell to the other birds and start their journey back home. They fly through the darkening sky, grateful for the day's adventures. Sweet dreams. Back in his cozy nest, Sammy snuggles up with a full heart, reminiscing about the day's adventures. With a contented chirp, he drifts off to sleep, looking forward to more adventures tomorrow. Discovers the beauty of his surroundings and learns valuable life lessons about happiness and friendship. Filled with colorful visuals, a delightful soundtrack, and an uplifting story, this video is sure to bring a smile to the faces of both children and adults alike, inspiring them to embrace the joy and wonder that life has to offer. Keep watching, like, share, and subscribe. Danyal Haider Cartoons.